Good evening, guys, and welcome to a new video of Snack Bites with Varun Gokhale.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Teacher is the sun and all the planets revolving around it are its students. Teacher is Mother Earth who has immense secrets or knowledge, and students are the satellites orbiting this teacher in order to seek knowledge. Everyone's life has a numerous number of teachers, but there are two teachers who are of most importance. First teacher is our mother, and second teacher is our father. And then every person associated with us in our life is our teacher, as they might not teach us the way teachers teach us in school, but they teach us lessons to lead life in a beautiful manner. Today, Corona has proven to be one of the best teachers in 2020. Everyone, just ponder upon the thought that how Corona has played a major role in transforming us to be the better version of ourselves. Today, on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to share some personal experiences which have shaped my life in a better way. First and foremost, I am very grateful to my parents for being the teachers who have shown me the path to embark on the journey called life. Teachers have been an integral part of my life as they have guided me in the best possible way. When I first came to Chennai and joined Sri Krishnaswamy Matriculation Higher Secondary School, my first class teacher, whom I still remember, is Smita ma'am. And also, I do remember my own mathematics teacher and guide, Tarani ma'am, who has been guiding me since class 2. It was third standard when I switched to Kendriya Vidyalaya Annanagar and my life changed in the best possible way. I still remember my class teachers in the primary who were Aruma ma'am, Jayam ma'am, Rajeshwari ma'am, and Uma Gopalakrishnan ma'am. I would also like to thank all my principals under whom I have completed my schooling. Raghava Podiwal sir, Lakshmi Ramakrishnan ma'am, and Vaidilingam sir. I had been a part of various events in school during my primary, like group song, group dance, skits at regional level. At this point, I would also like to thank all my primary teachers who have helped me build the building blocks of my career. As I was a part of various cultural events in primary, I had initially no interest in music. But my music teacher from school, Gauri ma'am, persuaded me to learn to play tabla, and from there, the journey of learning music started. Due to this very skill, I was often part of various cultural events in school as well as in inter-school competitions. It's today, because of Gauri ma'am, I was able to meet my inspiration and idol, Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and also got a opportunity to perform a group song on behalf of KVS Chennai region in front of him. It was indeed a moment of joy and excitement to see my idol right in front of me. At this point, I would like to thank Gauri ma'am for giving me the identity of a musician. Coming to my secondary and senior secondary schooling, I was quite fortunate to be a part of Sanskrit plays and used to play lead roles because of my Sanskrit teacher Ranganathan sir, who believed that I was good at conversing in Sanskrit and for bringing out the actor and artist in me. I was also learning table tennis since 6th grade, and for 2 straight years I got to represent KVS Chennai region at KVS Nationals due to my coach Ramanathan sir. In 8th grade, I had joined NCC. After around 1 year, my associate NCC officer, Lieutenant Anandan sir, called me for participating in RDC 2015 selection trials for Madras Group. But I didn't know whether I would make it till the end. Still, he kept supporting me and always was on our side, trying to help us out in every tough time. And the moment of pride came when 3 students including me, represented Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, and Andaman Nicobar Directorate in Republic Day Camp 2015 held in New Delhi. Due to Anandan sir, I also got a chance to meet President Bharat Ratna Dr. Pranab Mukherjee and also got a chance to salute Prime Minister Narendra Modi on my birthday on 28th Jan. I would like to thank Anandan sir for providing me such an opportunity to participate in Republic Day Camp 2015. As due to Republic Day Camp, I had missed out almost a year in school. Many of my teachers helped me out to catch up with the syllabus for the final exams by helping me in all possible ways. While in 10th standard, I got the opportunity to host the annual day of our school because of Sumati ma'am and Babita ma'am. Also, Gauri ma'am and Sunita ma'am gave me an opportunity to bring out the dancer in me by persuading me to participate in national level social science exhibition held in Ambala. A special thanks to all my secondary teachers. During 11th and 12th, a piece of advice from my English teacher, Rima ma'am, helped me transform into a better version of myself. I still remember those advices and try to apply in every part of my life. A special thanks to all my senior secondary teachers for helping and guiding me in the most difficult phase of my life, the board exams. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Nirja ma'am for being a friend and a guide who was always there to support me, inspire me, and guide me through the difficult situations and also the joyous situations in my life. Moving on to college life, as I'm pursuing my third year in electronics engineering, I would also like to thank all my college teachers who are helping me to become an engineer and also a responsible citizen. Also, on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to wish all my teachers and all the teachers out there in the world. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Shubhashish Initiative.